The world of cryptocurrency can seem like a maze, filled with complex jargon and ever-changing trends. It's easy to get lost in the sea of information, especially when you're just starting out. Let's cut through the noise. There are countless strategies and opinions floating around about making money with crypto. Everyone claims to have the secret formula, but how do you know what's actually effective and, more importantly, safe? A lot of the advice out there is either too risky, pushing you towards high-stakes investments that could wipe out your capital in a flash, or it's too slow, promising gradual gains that take forever to materialize, leaving you feeling like you're missing out on the crypto boom. And let's be honest, some of it is just plain confusing for beginners. Trying to decipher complex trading strategies can feel like learning a new language. Day trading, staking, NFTs, these are all viable options, but they come with their own set of challenges and require a significant time investment to learn properly. For many, these can feel overwhelming and complicated, especially when you're juggling other responsibilities. The learning curve can be steep, and the risk of making mistakes is high. I wanted something fast, something that wouldn't require me to spend hours glued to a screen or become a trading expert overnight. I was looking for a method that was low risk and simple, a strategy that wouldn't keep me up at night worrying about market crashes. Ultimately, I wanted something anyone with a smartphone could do, regardless of their prior experience with crypto or finance. That's when I found Binance P2P, a platform that offered a different approach to crypto trading. It's essentially a peer-to-peer marketplace connecting buyers and sellers directly, cutting out the middleman. On this platform, you buy crypto from one person, negotiating the price directly with them, and then you sell to another, finding someone willing to pay a slightly higher price for the same cryptocurrency. The goal is simple: pocketing the difference between the buying and selling price. This method requires no chart analysis, no technical indicators, and no complicated trading strategies. There's no guessing which coin will explode or trying to predict the next big market trend. Instead, it's about making small, consistent profits through a simple arbitrage strategy. You're essentially taking advantage of price differences between buyers and sellers on the platform. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how this method works and how you can start implementing it today. I'll walk you through the steps I took to make over $100. And I'll show you how I did it in just 3 days, proving that this method can deliver quick results. I'll break down the entire process, step by step, so you can replicate my results and start earning with crypto. So, let's dive in and get started on your journey to earning with crypto. We'll break down the practical playbook, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. This is your guide to earning with crypto, a simple, effective, and low-risk approach that anyone can use. No fluff, just results. Let's get started and turn your smartphone into a crypto earning machine. Binance P2P is like eBay, but for crypto, a marketplace where you can directly interact with other users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It's a peer-to-peer platform, cutting out the traditional middleman and giving you more control over your transactions. You buy and sell directly with other people, setting your own prices and choosing your preferred payment methods. This direct interaction fosters a dynamic market where opportunities abound. With Binance acting as the secure middleman, your transactions are protected by escrow services and dispute resolution mechanisms. This ensures a safe and reliable trading environment for everyone involved. Binance provides the platform and the security, while you manage your trades. The real opportunity: arbitrage, taking advantage of price differences to make a profit. It's a classic trading strategy, and Binance P2P makes it accessible to everyone. Buying crypto at a low price from one user, perhaps someone needing to liquidate their assets quickly. You're essentially finding a bargain in the market, then selling it at a slightly higher price to another, capitalizing on the difference between what someone is willing to sell for and what someone else is willing to pay. This difference is your profit. This works because some sellers need cash fast and offer low prices, creating opportunities for savvy traders to step in and provide liquidity. While some buyers pay a premium for convenience or immediate access to crypto, driving up the price and creating a profitable spread. For convenience or specific payment methods like local bank transfers or mobile payment apps, which might not be readily available on traditional exchanges. You're not betting on crypto prices going up or down. You're exploiting the inefficiencies in the market to generate consistent returns. You're just capturing the small predictable spread, the difference between the highest bid and the lowest ask, between buy and sell prices, consistently profiting from these minor discrepancies. Most trades use stablecoins like USDT, which are pegged to the US dollar, minimizing volatility. So your risk is low and your profits are steady, making it an attractive option for those seeking a more predictable income stream in the crypto world. Think of it as being a mini exchange, a smaller, more focused marketplace where you can act as a market maker, providing liquidity and earning a small repeatable profit, contributing to the overall efficiency of the Binance P2P ecosystem. It's a win-win situation for both you and the platform. So, you're ready to make your first dollar online? It's an exciting journey, and I'm here to guide you through a simple step-by-step process. This method focuses on leveraging a popular platform to buy and sell cryptocurrency, specifically USDT, and capitalize on small price differences. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account. This is a crucial first step, as it provides you with the platform to conduct your trades. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is required for security. This process involves submitting identification documents to verify your identity. It's a standard procedure on most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges and helps prevent fraud and money laundering. Next, add your preferred payment methods. Start with the most popular in your country. This will make it easier to buy and sell USDT with local buyers and sellers. Consider adding multiple payment options to increase your flexibility and reach a wider audience. Now navigate to the P2P page. Here, you'll want to filter for the best USDT buy offers. Look for offers with competitive prices and reasonable limits. Make sure you are using your preferred payment method. This will ensure a smooth and efficient transaction. It's crucial to choose a reputable seller. Look for sellers with a high completion rate. This indicates that they are reliable and likely to fulfill their trades promptly. To start, buy a small amount. Carefully follow the payment instructions provided by the seller. Double-check the details before sending the payment to avoid any errors. Once you receive the crypto, switch to the Sell tab on the P2P platform. Now, post your own ad. Aim to post it at a slightly higher price than you initially paid. And be sure to use the same payment method you used for buying. This will streamline the process for both you and your potential buyers. When a buyer pays you for the USDT, carefully confirm receipt of the payment. Once you've verified the payment, release the crypto to the buyer. Remember that price difference between your buy and sell price. That's your profit from this simple trade. Now, repeat the process. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the amounts you trade to scale up your earnings and potentially generate a significant income. Let's talk real numbers. I started with $500, but you can start with less. On day 1, I made $1.50 per trade, repeating the process for a total of $28.50. Day 2, I increased my trade size and made $41.20 by cycling my capital faster. By day 3, I refined my strategy, focused on the best times and payment methods, and earned another $35.80. In 3 days, that's $105.50 profit. No risky speculation, just simple, repeatable trades. All from my phone with low risk and no fancy software. If I can do it, so can you. I made mistakes so you don't have to. First, I traded with low-rated users. My money got stuck for hours. Always pick sellers with high ratings and lots of trades. Second, I added too many obscure payment methods, which made tracking payments a nightmare. Stick to 1 or 2 popular options. Third, I rushed trades without double-checking details, leading to disputes and delays. The fix? Trade with reputable users, keep your payment method simple, and always confirm every step. These small tweaks made my process smoother, faster, and safer. Learn from my errors, and you'll avoid most beginner headaches. Work smart, not hard. Arbitrage on Binance P2P is all about capturing the spread between the lowest sell price and the highest buy price. You buy USDT from the cheapest seller, then sell it at a higher price to the most eager buyer. Each cycle earns you a small profit. Repeat it multiple times a day and it adds up. This isn't passive. You need to be active, responsive, and quick to spot opportunities. The more cycles you complete, the more you earn, without gambling on crypto price swings. It's a hands-on, low-risk way to profit from market inefficiencies. Is this sustainable? Yes, if you treat it like a business. The opportunity exists as long as people need to buy and sell crypto quickly, creating price spreads. In some countries, demand for stablecoins is huge, so spreads and profits are bigger. In mature markets, competition is higher, so you'll need to be more efficient and build a strong reputation. Your edge comes from being reliable, fast, and trusted. This lets you command better prices. Stay adaptable, focus on customer service, and keep learning your local market. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a steady side income if you put in the effort. Final tips to help you scale safely. Start small. Use an amount you can afford to lose while you learn. Keep detailed records of every trade for tracking profits and resolving disputes. Speed matters. Respond quickly to buyers and sellers to build a great reputation. Join local crypto groups for tips, scam alerts, and networking with other traders. Stay alert, keep it simple, and always prioritize safety. Ready to try? Start small, stay smart, and let me know how it goes.